Hi everyone, I'm Betsy Delory. I am taking online section 3 of CIT 336 with you. I live with my husband of 42 years in the state capital of Madison, Wisconsin. This is my second to last semester. I'm finishing up the web design and development program with a development emphasis. I'm taking this class because it's one of the last four required courses I need to complete. But actually, I kind of have a love-hate relationship. I struggle with the learning curves in the classes. I actually really love it. I love getting to the end and producing something really cool. I began this program when my husband and I were pathway missionaries, and I signed myself up so that I could update my computer skills. We raised five sons, and when the youngest one went to kindergarten, I went back to school and for mainframe systems analysis and programming, and I had a career in that field for 10 years. And I just wanted to know more about the web, so I'm having a good time doing that. My long-term goal is my husband's getting ready to retire in a couple years, and I would like to pick up some maybe contract piecework off of an online staffing site. Something you may not have guessed about me is I love to water ski. I was in a water ski show when I was young, and people often thought it was cool I could ski on a canoe paddle. Um, and I guess my greatest strength would be perseverance. Failure is not an option for me. Once I set my mind to something, I sometimes need help with the bigger picture because I am kind of a linear thinker and I get very detail, nuts and bolts oriented. Other than that, I look forward to learning with you and working with you this semester, and good luck.